We feed these guys all day long. Come on. How lively are you?
Centuries before, this wetland is the homeland of the Native Americans, the Choctaw Indians, the Chitimacha, and the Coushatta tribe. This river was their life source. Its topography is quite similar to the river jungles of the tropics like the Philippines, but also very different. Its fauna is definitely North American, but in a way, its topography kinda make me imagine of the Cretaceous period.
Okay guys, look the direction I'm pointing my finger. You can walk that direction for 10 miles and never touch dry ground. You would be walking through either just a few inches of water or just a few feet of water. That's a forest covered in water. That's a swamp. I'm going to give you guys a much closer look at a swamp in a few minutes. Right around with their noses and their hooves. And they move all
There's
the
a raccoon right there.
Oh, buddy.
Anybody know how to call a wild pig? A little louder.
Piggy, piggy.
Come here, pig. Here, pig. Peppa. Peppa Pig. Here, pig. Come here, pig. You talking about the raccoon? Woods right over there to your right, where I'm pointing my finger. Look right straight through there. See him moving? Come on, shoot part!
Inte laget för. Laget för. What about a small boy?
We got all kinds of food.
If you're looking for the snake, they could be anywhere from swimming in the water, and I've seen them as high as 30 feet into the trees. If you hear something like that, that's what it sounds like when the snake falls from the tree and lands on the boat top. Most of the time, they'll just slither off the top, fall into the water. Only 1 out of 3 times will they get in the boat.
But we hit the ground running. No time to publicize that we're not just funny. That we're not just funny. Our love is easy lasting. Holidays so easy passing. Our love is easy lasting. Holidays so easy passing. Just say.
So I just finished touring the swamp tour. It was interesting. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. I am finally going to depart New Orleans today, but some of my friends I've met in the hostel told me that I shouldn't be missing this park. It's called the City Park, and just look at this background here. Look at Mother Willow dancing. I could not believe it. What? Look at this. Ow. Maganda guys, pero ito pa rin ako. Trying to look at the splendor of Mother Willow. I'm not sure if I still have time to go back here, but right now we're gonna get some breakfast. Guys, it's already 9:06. I will have my last beignet. Guys, this is how you get cancer. Powdered white sugar.